Replace grains with eggs for breakfast for weight loss. Changing your breakfast can help you lose weight. Eggs can take the place of your usual grain-based breakfast. Eggs in the morning, rather than bagels, have been found to help people lose weight without even trying. 30 obese or overweight women were divided into 2 groups and given either a bagel or an egg for breakfast. For the next 36 hours, the egg group ate fewer calories than the other groups. After eating the eggs, women ate less food at subsequent meals because they felt full. 152 overweight persons were divided into 2 groups in another study. One group had eggs and the other had bagels for breakfast. Diets were being followed by both groups in order to lose weight. The egg group shed more weight than the bagel group after 8 weeks, 65% more weight loss, 61% greater reduction in BMI, 34% greater reduction in waist circumference, 16% greater reduction in body fat percentage. Simple changes, such as swapping out one meal for another, can have a significant impact on weight loss. As a bonus, eggs are among the world's healthiest foods. This is even another reason to eat them. Despite the fact that eggs are high in cholesterol, new research suggests that they do not cause heart disease or elevate your bad cholesterol as was once believed. If you believe you lack the time to prepare a nutritious breakfast, reconsider. There is no need to spend more than 5 to 10 minutes in the kitchen preparing a simple breakfast of eggs and vegetables. The solution is as simple as waking up a few minutes sooner on your alarm clock.